everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and today I have a question for you. How many of you can tell me that you know what poison ivy looks like? I just saw a post about a poor gardener who was in it and all wrapped up in it and now is covered with poison ivy. This is something you need to learn and to avoid. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you pictures, a little clip of some poison ivy and different shades and so on that it can change so that you know what it looks like at all stages. Stay tuned. So here you can see the 3 distinct leaves that tell you it's poison ivy. And next is a picture of poison oak. Again, 3 leaves, and each leaf looks very much like an oak leaf. And here is just a website for you to go to, but I wanted you to see that there are different colors in the poison ivy leaves at different seasons. So please go visit that site. Please be aware and be cautious.